Good morning, everybody. I just wanted to check in and say hi to everyone. I know everyone says I'm bad with my phone, so I'm showing my face so everybody can see me. Hi. I'm here. I'm doing good. There's the baby back here. See, I'm back here trying to mess up the I know my name is made. Oh, sucker. Ugh. Bye. Bye. So, this is why I haven't really been available. I've been getting beat up by my own child, as you can see. So, if you guys ever think I don't love you, and I am just being not available, there is a rhythm and a rhyme to the madness. My little girl. And that's how she says good morning, apparently. She has to eat now, so. Oh. See? Always getting beat up. I'm always getting beat up. She's just aggressive. My God. Where does she get it from? Take my clothes off. Trying to pull my hair out. Trying to eat my face. But this is why I have been so MIA, guys. My 9-month-old thinks that she's a toddler, but she's not. So, this is just an I love everybody video. And I will catch up with everybody soon. Bye. Say bye. Oh, too old for this, y'all. Too old for this. Too old. You see what she did? You see what she did? Too old for this. Lord help me. Say bye. Say goodbye, Facebook. See you guys later.